Composition. This is the rule of thirds, and this is the grid. Center your subject at one of these points for documentaries, educational, and this type of videos. For landscapes, simply position the horizon at the top or bottom line. Speaking of lines, leading lines can be used to direct the viewer's eyes to your subject. They shouldn't be too difficult to find with a bit of practice, but an easier way to achieve a similar result would be to use frame within a frame. These two rules can be used with rule of thirds to achieve a very pleasing image. But what if the image is too cluttered, I hear you ask? If you can clear the background or change your environment, then you could use depth to focus on your subject. This is when you blur your background, similar to using cinematic phone on iPhone. If you want to make a specific video on camera settings to achieve this effect, do let me know by typing blur in the comments. You could also make the video feel more three-dimensional and interesting by increasing the distance between the camera, your subject, and the background. As for some things to keep in mind, try and keep your composition more balanced by adding interesting elements to the opposite side of your subject, or by making the frame more symmetrical. And lastly, make sure there is enough head and looking space for your subject, because otherwise it might feel a bit too suffocating. Now that you understand good compositioning and framing, go to this video for an easy guide on good lighting. See you there!